When you sing with your little one, you light up their mind and help their brain to grow.
Incy Wincy Spider.
Incy Wincy Spider first, is there?
Incy Wincy Spider.
Find a rhyme that makes them smile and join in with the actions together. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
When you're singing, the best place is face to face. Rhyme time can be any time. Your little one just loves to hear your voice.
Yay, good job!
For top tips to get your little one talking, visit gov.wales/talkwithme.